Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, your host for the AII. For stock news today, we'll take a look at IBM's newly launched business transactional intelligence as well as Accenture's announcement of a doubling of its DC digital studio. And we'll take a look at some new research into the AI and life sciences market. So IBM, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol IBM, today launched its Business Transactional Intelligence, or BTI. According to the press release, BTI is, quote, an AI-powered solution that offers anomaly detection and visualization capabilities for mitigating supply chain disruptions and accelerating data-driven decision-making, end quote. Connie Rakau, the EDI, that's Electronic Data Interchange Manager at the Master Lock Company, explains, quote, with IBM Business Transaction Intelligence, we can dig deeper into our EDI data to identify patterns that wouldn't otherwise be obvious, as well as building a scorecard to track our performance against internal service level agreements, SLAs, with the business. We have set up reports that highlight trading partners with higher than average error rates, end quote. And Accenture, which is also traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACN, has announced a doubling of the size of its Accenture Federal Digital Studio in Washington, D.C., making the facility over 20,000 square feet and increasing the size of its team as well. The studio helps clients create digital solutions through the use of AI and analytics. John Goodman, the CEO of Accenture Federal Services, or AFS, said, quote, our newly expanded studio will help government leaders gain new perspectives, embrace new technologies faster, adopt successful approaches from the private sector, and activate them for the good of our society and our nation, end quote. And leaving stocks aside, a report recently published on the site Industry Research finds that the AI and life sciences market, currently valued at $902.1 million US, is projected to exhibit a compound annual growth rate of 21.1% from 2019 to 2024. An excerpt from the report description reads, quote, as AI operates on large sets of data, the availability of such data becomes a key factor for establishing a suitable environment for the growth of AI-based solutions. With innovations in mobile technology and sensors, even the present day's wearables like smartwatches and fitness trackers have enough computing power to generate and process vast amounts of data. In fact, according to the recent estimates of Consumer Technology Association, a prominent standard and trade organization for the consumer electronics industry based in the U.S., health and fitness trackers accounted for more than 47% of the wearable devices sold in 2017. This scenario, coupled with several medical devices used in the healthcare sector, generates huge sets of data that could make use of AI to derive useful results. AI is increasingly becoming popular in drug discovery, personalized medicine, biotechnology, and clinical trials. With increasing healthcare spending in almost all parts of the world, the pharmaceutical industry has been involved in extreme research and development activities in the past few years, end quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.